This is Janet Finke, and this is my differentiated instruction lesson plan. Today, we are going to be continuing with our story that we've been working on, How the Stars Fell into the Sky. And we're going to be working on describing characters and events in the story. Our first activity is going to be close reading. And for my struggling group, I'm going to have them read aloud, or I'm going to read aloud, and stop and guide them on words and phrases and sentences that might cause some confusion. We're going to use some vocabulary words and talk about them. Okay, I've made note cards. For my proficient group, which includes my student Carter that is having issues with behavior and ADHD. I have two small groups because he is about average with the average part of the class in reading. So we're going to read it aloud and talk about the vocabulary and phrases and sentences. For my advanced group, I'm going to have them read aloud and ask the students to explain the meanings of words and phrases and sentences. For our second activity, we're going to do some language analysis. And we're going to talk about word choices in the text that suggest something about Coyote's character. And we're going to look at page 88 in our text and talk about his interaction with First Woman. We are going to use a character trait list to help them find words to use to describe Coyote's character and First Woman's character. We will do a similar activity in the proficient group or groups. Students are going to will explain author's word choices on page 85 so they can have a deeper understanding of Coyote's character. And we're also going to use the word trait list. For my advanced group, I'm going to have the students follow along as I read pages 86 through 88 and tell them to listen for expression. And then I'm going to have the students read the same passage aloud using appropriate expression. For our third activity, we're going to do some narrative writing. They're going to need their notebooks. And I'm going to have my my struggling group, we're going to work on writing a small paragraph, just 3 sentences, and we're going to work with some characters that they've already created in lesson 5. They're going to write these sentences with descriptive details about character and setting. And I will give them an example, the example that's on page 85 in their text. For my proficient groups, we are going to also write paragraphs or a paragraph, but I want 5 sentences using descriptive language for character and setting. And we're also going to talk about tone and mood in the paragraph. For my advanced group, we're going to write a 5-sentence paragraph, and they're going to use 2 of the characters that they created in lesson 5 who interact with each other and work on establishing tone and mood in the paragraph. For their exit slip, I'm going to have them write 3 to 5 descriptive words, depending on the group, about butterflies, and have them give me more detail on that butterfly. Thank you.